Unlocking the mystery. Get it for a song. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. Get it for a song. This expression is not only picturesque but also rich in cultural and historical connotations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're simply intrigued by English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore the meaning, origin, and use of this phrase, so you can start using it confidently in your conversations. Get it for a song means to purchase something at a very low price, much cheaper than its actual value. Imagine getting something for as little as a song, something that's practically free or costs very little. It's a colorful way to say that you found an incredible bargain. The phrase, "get it for a song," has a fascinating history. It's believed to date back to a time when the value of art, including music and poetry, was not as monetarily high as tangible goods. A song, something beautiful and ephemeral, couldn't pay for much in the material world. Thus, acquiring something for the price of a song implied getting it for next to nothing. Using "get it for a song" in conversation adds flair and color to your language. It's perfect for casual conversations, especially when sharing your shopping victories or great deals you've found. Here are a few examples. I got this vintage chair for a song at the flea market. Can you believe it? They were selling these books for a song at the garage sale. It's also useful in writing, particularly in informal contexts or when creating a conversational tone. However, it's best used sparingly in formal or business communications. While "get it for a song" is a widely understood idiom, there are variations and similar expressions that carry the same meaning. Phrases like "at a steal" or "for a pittance" convey the idea of acquiring something very cheaply. However, "get it for a song" has a unique charm that's hard to match with other expressions. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, "get it for a song." It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the essence of value, culture, and history in just a few words. Next time you snag a fantastic deal, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe your triumph. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and may you find many opportunities to get things for a song.